AMPR Plaza brings you KC's largest RV consignment dealership, KCRVs. Today we have a 2019 Forest River Rockwood Signature Ultralight 8301WS tongue twister. How long can your vacation last? That would be the question you are asked when you camp with this fifth wheel. The chef and the family will enjoy the choice of meal prep either outside or inside. The outside kitchen features a refrigerator, sink, and 2-burner swing stove. Inside, you have the luxury of an added large residential refrigerator that you'd like. Your kids will love having their own space in the rear bunkhouse. There is a slide out with a top bunk and a flip down bunk. You will also find a convenient half bathroom located off the bunkhouse. There is also a private outside entry door. The full-size bathroom is located at the top of the stairs. Here, there is a sink with a medicine cabinet, radius shower, toilet, and a sliding door which leads into the front bedroom with queen-size bed. Its length is 33 foot 6 inches, the width is 8 foot, and height is 13 foot. The dry weight is 9,345 pounds, so you'll need a 3/4 ton fifth wheel to pull. Every RV is inspected by our professionals, then again inspected with you before it hits the road. All reasonable offers will be considered on this unit and all others. Log on to kcrvs.com for more pictures, information, and prices. Financing, warranties, and other premium services are available right here at AMPR Plaza.